Wisconsin is trying really hard to score right here because it's 52-0, and they just got into Buckeye territory, and they're really trying to get something going. And then Michael Bennett, wearing number 53 tonight, in honor of Costa Cara George. Right in the middle of your screen here, number 53. See, bam, fumble like a mother. Jeez. Michael Bennett. God. 52. Zip. Here he is. Roast Town. Oh, gee.
Wearing 53 this evening instead of his normal 63. Popped the ball free from Stavi. We're looking at Washington 92 also there.
Yep. Adolphus is also there. Adolphus has been there all night. Number 92, Adolphus Washington. Coached by Nick Cosman in high school at Taft in Cincinnati. So, yep.
The tackles have been big time tonight.